Welcome to today's story. This is not just a tale, but a journey that will show you how even our flaws can become our greatest strengths. Stay with me till the end, because this story may change the way you look at yourself forever. Every person carries flaws. Some hide them, some fear them, but a few learn to turn those flaws into strength. Today, I'll tell you the story of a boy, a potter, and a broken pot. A story that teaches us how even our weaknesses can shine brighter than perfection. In a small village lived a boy named Arjun. His father was a skilled potter, known for crafting the finest clay pots. Arjun admired his father's work, but felt useless because he was clumsy. Whenever he tried to help, he broke pots or spilled water. One day, his father gave him a task. Arjun, carry these 2 pots filled with water from the river to our home. One pot was strong and perfect. The other had a crack on its side. Arjun balanced them on a wooden pole and walked home. By the time he reached, the cracked pot was only half full. Arjun sighed. "Father, I failed you. One pot is always leaking. I am wasting water every day." But his father only smiled and said, "Wait, let's see what happens after a week." Day after day, Arjun carried the pots from the river. The cracked pot leaked water along the same path each morning. After a week, his father called him. "Arjun, look carefully at the path you take every day." Arjun's eyes widened. Along the path of the cracked pot, flowers had bloomed, bright, colorful, and full of life. The other side, where the perfect pot carried water, was barren and dry. His father explained, "Son, the crack you thought was a weakness became a gift. You watered these flowers without even knowing. Sometimes, what we see as broken can bring beauty to the world." Arjun realized that his clumsiness and mistakes didn't make him useless. They made him unique. A few months later, drought struck the village. The fields dried up, and people worried about food and water. Arjun, remembering the flowers, had an idea. He said, "Father, if one cracked pot could grow flowers, what if we use many pots to water the land?" Arjun, remembering the flowers, had an idea. He said, they gathered broken pots from the workshop, placed them along the field edges, and filled them daily. The pots leaked water slowly, keeping the soil moist. Soon, the barren land turned green again. Vegetables grew, flowers bloomed, and the villagers had hope. "Father, if one cracked pot could grow flowers, what if we use many pots to water the land?" The same cracked pot that once seemed useless became the reason for saving the village. At the village gathering, the potter spoke. "We often hide our cracks, our mistakes, our scars. But sometimes, those very cracks can become blessings, not just for us, but for others. Never be ashamed of who you are. Even broken pots carry water. Even broken people carry light." The villagers applauded, and Arjun stood tall, finally proud of himself. Vocabulary from the broken pot story. Number 1. Potter. Meaning, a person who makes pots, bowls, and other things from clay. Sentence. The potter shaped the clay into a beautiful vase. Number 2. Clay. Meaning, soft, sticky earth that can be shaped when wet and becomes hard when baked. Sentence. The boy's hands were covered with clay from the potter's wheel. Number 3. Crack. Meaning, a line on the surface of something that is broken but not completely split apart. Sentence. The pot had a small crack and water dripped out slowly. Number 4. Leak. Meaning, to let liquid or gas flow through a hole. Sentence. The cracked pot leaked water along the path. Number 5. Sprout. Meaning, a young plant that begins to grow. Sentence. Tiny sprouts appeared where the water had fallen. Number 6. Bloom. Meaning, when a flower opens or grows fully. Sentence. The flowers bloomed beautifully along the path. Number 7. Harvest. Meaning, the process of collecting crops or plants that are ready. Sentence. The villagers celebrated the harvest of vegetables and flowers. Number 8. Drought. Meaning, a long period without rain, causing water shortage. Sentence. The villagers were worried during the drought. Number 9. Proud. Meaning, Feeling pleased about something good you or someone else did. Sentence. The father was proud of his son's idea. Number 10. Wisdom. Meaning, the ability to use knowledge and experience to make good decisions. Sentence. The potter shared his wisdom with the villagers. Number 11. Flaw. Meaning, an imperfection or weakness in something. Sentence. The cracked pot had a flaw, but it became its strength. Number 12. Resilience. Meaning, the ability to recover quickly from difficulties. Sentence. The boy showed resilience by turning weakness into strength. Number 13. Inspiration. Meaning, something that makes you want to do or create something. Sentence. The broken pot became an inspiration for the whole village. Number 14. Unity. Meaning, the state of being joined or working together. Sentence. The villagers worked in unity to water their fields. Number 15. Gratitude. Meaning, a feeling of thankfulness. Sentence. The villagers felt gratitude for the boy's idea and the flowers along the path. In life, you will make mistakes, face failures, and carry cracks in your journey. But remember, your cracks don't make you weak. They make you human. And sometimes, they are the very reason you bring beauty, love, and hope into the world. So, don't hide your flaws. Embrace them. Because even a broken pot can save a village. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.